Unlocking the art of painting. Mastering techniques for beginners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of painting. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, understanding painting techniques is key to unlocking your full artistic potential. Let's explore together how these techniques can transform your art. Painting techniques refer to the methods and processes artists use to apply paint to a surface. These techniques vary widely and can affect the texture, appearance, and feel of the painting. From the delicate strokes of watercolor to the bold textures of oil paint, each technique offers a unique way to express creativity. Brushwork. The way an artist uses a brush can greatly influence the painting's style. Techniques like dabbing, stippling, and feathering create different textures and effects. Layering. Layering involves applying multiple layers of paint, allowing each layer to dry before applying the next. This technique can add depth and richness to the painting. Glazing. Glazing is a method of applying a transparent layer of paint over another, fully dried layer. It can enhance colors and give the painting a luminous quality. Impasto. Impasto is a technique where paint is applied thickly, so it stands out from the surface. This creates a three-dimensional texture and adds a dynamic quality to the work. Wet on wet, also known as alla prima. This technique involves applying wet paint onto wet paint without waiting for the initial layer to dry. It's great for creating soft blends and subtle color shifts. Experimenting with different techniques is a wonderful way to discover what works best for your style. Consider the mood and message you want to convey in your painting. Do you prefer the smooth gradients achievable with glazing, or the bold textures of impasto? Your choice of technique can significantly impact the final piece. We hope this video has shed some light on the diverse world of painting techniques and inspired you to experiment with your art. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to paint. It's all about expressing your unique perspective. Happy painting, and we look forward to seeing what you create. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more art tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.